Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can we scan QR code on Android phone. So at the very first, I'm just opening my camera, and here you can see there is no QR code sign in front of my camera. But as soon as I take this QR code in front of my camera, there is a QR code sign here. Just clicking it, it will scan the QR code. There is also another way to scan QR code. Android phone already has an app that is scanner. Just go to this app, and here you can see scan option. Just scan the QR code. There is also another way to scan QR code. Just go to Play Store and search in the search bar QR code scanner. Now just install the first app. After installing, just go to this app. Here you can see QR code option, and it is very quick. So guys, this is how can you scan QR code on Android phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.